Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel Off to Office. In this video we are going to be talking about another new function of Microsoft 365, and this is filter function. Filter function is one of the many dynamic array functions of Microsoft 365. This filters a range of data based on the criteria fed by us. As I told you, this function is available in latest Microsoft 365 version of Excel only, and we feed the formula in one cell, but the result is spelled in a range of cells. Let's have a look at the syntax of this function. It takes three arguments. The first argument is array, which is the source data from where we are going to filter and extract our data. The next argument is include, which is a bit confusing by its name, but it simply means that it's a set of criteria which is supposed to return us a true or false on evaluation. And the last argument is if empty, which is actually optional and is there to handle the cases when the logical test returns us a false. And by this argument we can command Excel to perform some action of our choice, like returning an empty string or a message like not found. One important thing we need to remember while feeding the logical test is that we cannot use AND or XOR nor Boolean operators to combine the logical test. However, we can use plus and the multiplication sign, and also the not operators is allowed with filter function. Let's see how it works. So we have before us a data here, and I'll show you how filter function works in filtering the data of our choice. Like the very basic, I'm typing filter. The array as I told you, this is the array which we want to filter. I will lock it. Then the include option. Here we have to actually include the logical test or the logical criteria on the basis of which we are going to filter our data. My first criterion is say I want to filter only the cells which are males. If no data is found, I want to be able to return an empty string or simply say not found. And I told you this one is optional, we can leave it also. So as you can see, we got no data because I have typed males in lieu of male. So I will correct it and see all the records with gender as male have been filtered. In case I feed a female here, accordingly the data will be updated. This is the benefit of this filter function, that it is dynamic. Now I'm trying to add more conditions to the include part. I will show you if I use AND operation, say I am using AND, what will happen. And another condition is, say my discipline is science. So a value error is returned. I already told you in the beginning that this filter function does not support AND or XOR nor Boolean operators. So in place of this, I will be using multiplication operator. This is the first condition, and this is the second one, right? And you can see all the data with gender female and discipline science has been filtered. If I further add some more conditions, I can use a multiplication sign and further, like say my date of birth is greater than a date 1991 first month first day. So see, the data has been accordingly updated. You can see how beautiful this function is, but unfortunately everyone is not using Microsoft 365. Good news is we still can achieve the same result without filter function. And I have explained this workaround in my previous videos. I have two videos on this. In one of the video I'm using index with small function, which is applicable to all Excel versions, while in another video I'm using index with the aggregate function, or actually the small function inside aggregate function, which will work for all Excel versions for 2013 and above. So kindly go through the playlist. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. If so, do not forget to subscribe, share and do press bell icon so that you receive notification of all new videos. Thanks for watching.